Welcome to this updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with income potential here at 1738 Hillmont in San Jose. Discover the perfect blend of modern updates, prime location, and income generating potential. This gem features a sleek open kitchen complete with quartz countertops, a gas range, and newer appliances. Ideal for entertaining and everyday living. Enjoy the comfort of new luxury vinyl plank flooring in the bedrooms and bathrooms, while the remodeled bathrooms add a touch of elegance. This home also boasts double-pane windows, new shutters, and a 2-year-old roof, and newer closet doors giving it a fresh, modern feel. But that's not all. The converted garage ADU with its own separate entrance is perfect for additional family space, a spice kitchen, or as a rental unit to help supplement that mortgage. Step outside to the spacious backyard featuring mature orange and avocado trees, plus a versatile shed conversion that's perfect for a home office, gym, or extra storage. Tile floors in the entry, kitchen, and family room add durability, while laundry in the garage offers added convenience. With easy access to shopping, parks, and community amenities, this home is a true standout, offering both comfort and convenience with the added benefit of potential rental income. Don't miss your chance to call this beautiful property home.